What is the minimum amount to open an Ally checking account? Intro hook. Have you ever wondered how much you need to get started with an Ally checking account? It's a common question, especially for those looking to switch banks or open their first account. In this video, we'll dive into the minimum deposit requirements and other factors to consider when opening an Ally checking account. Building context. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and competitive rates. But what about their checking accounts? Are they worth it? Let's find out. Main content. Minimum deposit requirement. The straightforward answer, the minimum deposit required to open an Ally checking account is $0. That's right, you don't need any initial funds to get started. This makes Ally a great option for those with limited funds or those just starting out. No monthly maintenance fees. In addition to the zero minimum deposit, Ally checking accounts don't have any monthly maintenance fees. This is a significant advantage over traditional brick-and-mortar banks that often charge fees for low balances. Other factors to consider. Interest rates. While Ally checking accounts don't offer interest, they do have a linked savings account that earns a competitive interest rate. This can be a great way to grow your savings while still having easy access to your funds. ATM fees. Ally doesn't have a nationwide ATM network, so you may incur fees when using out-of-network ATMs. However, they reimburse up to $10 in ATM fees per month. Online-only banking. Ally is an online-only bank, so you won't have access to physical branches. This can be a disadvantage for those who prefer in-person banking, but it can also be a benefit for those who prefer the convenience of online banking. Customer service. Ally is known for its excellent customer service. They offer 24/7 customer support through phone, chat, and email. Benefits of Ally checking accounts. No minimum deposit or monthly fees. This makes Ally a great option for those with limited funds or those just starting out. High-interest linked savings account. This can be a great way to grow your savings while still having easy access to your funds. Convenient online banking. Ally's online-only platform offers a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. Excellent customer service. Ally is known for its responsive and helpful customer support. Is an Ally checking account right for you? Consider your needs. Before opening an Ally checking account, it's important to consider your individual needs. If you're looking for a low-cost, online-only checking account with a linked savings account, Ally could be a great option. Compare other banks. It's also a good idea to compare Ally's offerings to other banks in your area. Some banks may offer additional features or benefits that are important to you. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ally checking accounts offer a number of benefits, including a zero minimum deposit, no monthly maintenance fees, and a linked savings account with a competitive interest rate. However, it's important to consider your individual needs and compare Ally's offerings to other banks before making a decision. Call to action. If you're interested in opening an Ally checking account, you can visit their website or call their customer service number. They'll be happy to answer any questions you may have and help you get started. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.